welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a veggie lasagna, so stay tuned. First we're going to be adding our garlic. Then you're going to add some onion, followed by your Jimmy Dean sausage. I'll be adding 2 today, 1 sage and 1 country mild. While the Jimmy Dean starts to cook, we're going to go ahead and season our meat. So you're gonna add some garlic powder, Italian seasoning, seasonal, onion powder, parsley, and black pepper. Once the meat has browned, we are going to add our pasta sauce. We're going to be adding some mustard, teaspoon of sugar, a light sprinkle of powdered chicken bouillon, followed by some chopped green onion. Okay, now that the sauce is done, let's move on to chopping up our vegetables. Since we are not using pasta today, I will be doing zucchini, squash, and eggplant as my noodles. Once I started to get to the eggplant, it got so hard to chop up, but we got it. And so now we're gonna make our ricotta cheese. So I'm gonna be doing 4 scoops of ricotta cheese, followed by a ½ teaspoon of lemon juice. And we're also gonna season this. So we're gonna add some parsley and some onion powder and garlic powder. And just go ahead and mix that all in. And once we're done with that, we are gonna start the layering process. So we're gonna start with our eggplant, followed by our meat sauce, followed by the zucchini and the ricotta cheese. Then we're gonna add the squash, and then we're just gonna repeat the steps. So we're gonna add the meat sauce, followed by the eggplant, followed by the ricotta cheese, the zucchini, the meat sauce. Then we're gonna top it off with the cheese. So we're gonna set our Instapot to slow cook 30 minutes, and then don't forget to take off the keep warm setting, and we're gonna let this cook. And this is my final result. Sorry guys, my camera died, so I had to show you guys my snap. If you do not follow me yet, go ahead and follow me. But this is the result, guys. OMG, I paired it with a nice glass of rosé, and oh my gosh, it smells so good and it tastes even better. And I'm just, as you can see, I was so excited to show off my lasagna. This meal is a great substitution for pasta, especially if you're trying to cut down on carbs, eat a little healthier, and get that summer bod. So thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you come back for more. Bye.